It's me, Carline anglade-cole. Welcome back to Which One Won, right? The YouTube version. This is your opportunity to take a look at my cover test and decide which one did the market choose as the winner, the control, okay? This is a great way to help you, especially if you're a new copywriter, aspiring copywriter, kind of get into understanding about headlines. This is a great exercise for you to do because the headlines you're going to see are also potential subject lines that can be used on internet marketing for your email campaign. So you're going to try to learn and see what I'm doing so that maybe you can find a great hook for your next promotion. Okay, so welcome to episode 9, and this one is from my client Health Resources, and the product is called DIM, D-I-M. Okay, this is a natural estrogen product, so that it would help literally remove the xenoestrogens, the fake estrogens out of your body. So it's not hormone. It helps actually get rid of the junk, the hormone stuff that you're getting, the xenoestrogens you get from like plastics and all kinds of terrible foods that you may eat. All that junk is in there. So this product literally takes out the xenoestrogens in your body so that it allows your natural estrogen to be balanced. So it is it's not a hormone, but it helps with hormone balancing. Okay, so that's what DIM is: diindol menthane, something like that. But DIM for short, DIM. I want to try it. It works really great. I use it and I love it. So anyway, I got off topic here. Let's go ahead and talk about DIM. And now in this episode, we have 6 cover tests that we're vying for #1 control status in this promotion, this launch. Okay, so let's go over them right now. The first one says, read this immediately if you don't want to fool around with your hormones, but you need an all-natural remedy for. And so it shows right off the bat that this is not just a female-oriented product, it is for males too, okay? So, because man boobs are a symptom of too much estrogen in your body, and DIM can help remove that estrogen. So, anyway, so read this if you don't want to fool around with your hormones, but you want, to get rid of these symptoms that we list here. So that is #1. #2 says what I always would love to envision myself is looking great naked, right? So I thought this is something that people would like to feel. So let's put that as a headline: look great naked. Come on, admit it. You'd love to look better in the buff, right? So just kind of appealing to the desires that we all kind of have but don't necessarily want to admit. So that was the cover: look great naked. Of course, I didn't put a naked person on the cover, but swimsuit works just as well. And then #3 is sort of okay, kind of more of a scare tactic, estrogen, the hidden health hazard for men and women over 40. So in this case, it was, just bring it out. This is what we're talking about, and then make it more of an educational based cover. That was my goal for that one. Okay, then we have one more that's more of an emotional appeal. A real life story inside. The day the doctor found a lump changed my life forever. That was a quote from a testimonial that we had gotten. And so I thought, let's put that up there and, kind of be that patient. How would it feel when you got the news? So this is much more of an emotional cover. And then we have, I think this is #5 or #6. This is #5. Yeah, #5. And it says, beyond hormone replacement therapy. So more of a scientific approach. Over 40 medical studies recorded in the National Library of Medicine confirms this revolutionary remedy helps restore hormone balance in men and women over 40 without estrogen, testosterone, or synthetic hormones. And then we list all the benefits that it has. So this goes beyond hormone replacement therapy. And then #6 was just bringing up the problems that I know that my market experiences, gaining weight but not eating anymore, enlarged prostate making me pee often, my muscles are turning into flab, my skin is saggy and dull, belly looks swollen, no desire for sex, can't sleep. And then my headline actually is, why? So this is kind of the headline. Instead of being on the very top, I actually put the headline way down the bottom, but I wanted to try to see if anybody would find any of these quotes that I have, these problems, these health ailments, that can they relate to that? And then the answer why, and then find out inside, and then just a promise guaranteed to work or it's free. So those are the 6 contenders. Let's go back at it one more time and look at it. Number 1 is you don't want to fool around with your hormones. Number 2, look great naked. Number 3, estrogen, a hidden health hazard for men and women over 40. Number 4, the day the doctor found a lump changed my life forever. Number 5, beyond hormone replacement therapy. And number 6, all of the health problems. And then the question, why? All right, CopyStar, now it's time for you to select what you're gonna do. By the way, let me tell you something. I've been calling you CopyStar. If you ever wonder why I call you CopyStar, well, that's what I call the readers of my free e-zine. This is called CopyStar. So that's what I call you, because I feel like this is something that you want to do. You want to be able to master your copy. You want to be a great copywriter. So CopyStar is just kind of a fun name I call the readers of my CopyStar e-zine. And if you are not a subscriber, gasp, gasp. You should be, because it's absolutely free. And I give you tons of tips and advice and things that I'm doing right now that's working for me in the industry. So you can go to my website at carline-cole.com, www.carline-cole.com, and just go ahead and sign up for my free e-zine, my CopyStar e-zine. You will not regret it. It is awesome. It is awesome. So definitely do that. Okay. All right. Did I just kind of stall a little bit longer than I should have? Intentional. Okay. All right. Now, did you pick anything? Put down what your guess is in the comments. Let me see what your thinking process is. I would love to know why you thought something worked or why you think others won't work, okay? But to answer your question, of the 6, I will tell you this. We got 2 winners, all right, which means the client had 2 strong covers that he was able to rotate and keep this package mailing for not 1, not 2, not 3, years. Okay, pretty awesome. So the number one winner was cover test number 1. You don't want to fool around with your hormones. That actually did perform very well, but a very, very close second was cover test number 6. Why? And so actually the why ended up mailing much longer than the first one, but it started off with the first one, and then the why was the second one, and that continued mailing in there. So it had 2 controls, which is great, because 2 controls means the copy that the package can stay in the mail longer, which means more royalty checks if you're a royalty writer like me. So love it, love it, love it. So how would you think? How'd you do? Did you get it? Did you get it or not? Did you guess it? Like I said, if you didn't, don't worry about it. I oftentimes I blow it. But it doesn't matter, because it's the writer. As long as you put out options for your prospect, and as long as they choose one winner, you are the winner too. So that's pretty cool. All right, so I want to say thank you again. Listen, if you like this episode of Which One Won, come on, give me a big like, and then also share, pass it on, tell your friends about it. Have some fun with this. This is a game. This is how you learn. I really believe you learn more when you're just having fun. So that's what I'm trying to do, is make copywriting so much fun for you that you're going to go, oh, how did I become an awesome copywriter like that? Oh, Carline, let me have fun doing it. That's why. See, that's my goal for you. So enjoy this. Make sure you catch the past episodes. If you missed any, I'm going to try to get you some more coming up soon. But for right now, I want to say thank you very much. If you like this, again, like this, subscribe if you're not subscribed to the channel. If you want to get a copy of my ebook, which is called Which One Won? How to write kick butt headlines and boost response. It is an ebook that you can get on my website, www.carline-cole.com. Click the tab that says ebooks, and you will find Which One Won, along with some other pretty cool ebooks I have too, by the way. You can check those out. Until next time, thanks for playing with me. Take care.